Hello dear students, in this video we are going to discuss important topic from class 12 chemistry chapter 8 and 9, DNA block elements and coordinates. From DNA block elements the most important topics are the transition metals, that is 3D series metals scandium to zinc, 4D series metals start from yttrium to cadmium and 5D series lanthanum to mercury, but cerium and lutetium, cerium to lutetium के elements उसमें include होते नहीं है. Inner transition metal 4F series is called as lanthanoid series located in 6 period and 5F series known as actinoid series located in 7 period. Zinc, mercury and cadmium are not considered as a transition series element. They are a part of D block but does not consider as a transition series element. General electronic configuration of D block element N-1 D1 to 10 NS1 to 2. Chromium has a electronic configuration 3D5 4s1 instead of 3D4 4s2 and copper has a general electronic configuration 3D10 4s1 instead of 3D9 4s2 due to half fill and completely filled stability. Zinc, cadmium and mercury has a general electronic configuration N-1 D10 NS2. Chromium have a higher second ionization enthalpy than Mn and copper has a higher second ionization enthalpy than zinc due to its half fill and completely filled stable configuration. Higher oxidation state shown by the Mn is +7. Chromium 2 plus is reducing in nature whereas Mn3 plus is oxidizing in nature. Paramagnetism arises due to presence of unpaired electron. As the number of unpaired electron increases, magnetic moment increases. Magnetic moment determined by number of unpaired electron and by using spin only formula mu is equal to square root of n plus 2. Here in this table you can see that scandium 3 plus has a 0 unpaired electron, so it's diamagnetic in nature, whereas titanium plus 1 unpaired electron होगा तो 1.723, 2 unpaired 2.84, 3 unpaired 3.87, 4 unpaired 4.90 and 5 unpaired highest 5 ही हो सकते हैं with magnetic moment 5.92. 5.92 से ज़्यादा magnetic moment होगा नहीं. Magnetic moment शो करने के लिए unpaired electron होने जरूरी है. Color of the coordination counts shown by the only those compound which does not possess any unpaired electron. It's normally observed that normally in MCQ examination either magnetic moment और color के बेस पे एक MCQ आ ही जाता है. We know that scandium 3 plus or titanium 4 plus are colorless because they does not have any unpaired electron, whereas Zn 2 plus are colorless because it also does not have any unpaired electron. All the electron in the orbital are paired, but rest all the compound are colored due to presence of one or more than one unpaired electron. Color of coordination compound is attributed due to the DD transitions. Brass is a mixture of copper and zinc, whereas bronze is a mixture of copper and tin. Dichromate ion is a yellow in color which in presence of acid get converted into chromate ion which become orange in nature. Chromate ion in presence of base get converted into dichromate ion in presence of base in converted to chromate ion. Manganate ion in presence of presence of acid get converted into permanganate ion, that is from green color to purple color. Identical radii of zinc, zirconium and hafnium is attributed due to the lanthanoid contraction. All the lanthanoids are silvery white metal and tarnish rapidly in air. Their hardness increases with an increase in atomic number and samarium is still hard in nature. The element of group 11 elements so the still worthy being called as point edge metals. Group 11 के metals जो है silver है, copper है, gold है, they are called as coin edge metals. Titanium chloride and trimethyl aluminum mixture is called as Ziegler-Natta catalyst used in a preparation of polythene. Mismatch metal is consists of lanthanoid metals and iron 95% lanthanoids and approximate 5% iron with traces of sulfur, carbon, calcium and aluminum as impurities. Next is our chapter 9 coordination compound. The most important one is chlorophyll, hemoglobin and vitamin B12 are the coordination compound of magnesium. Chlorophyll magnesium में होगा, hemoglobin as iron and vitamin B12 contain cobalt. Question based on the primary and secondary valency definitely होते हैं. For example COCl3 Na3 Cl complex में primary valency 1 है जो outside the square bracket और secondary valency 6 है. Amphidental ligand NO2 ONO और thiocyanide HCN ये सब amphidental ligand है. When di और polydental ligand use where two or more than two donor site ends form a chelate. Chelate forming are more stable than unidentate ligand. Ethylene diamine tetraacetate is a hexadentate ligand. Four coordination side by nitrogen and two by oxygen. PiCl for 2 minus and NiSNA3 for 2 moles as a coordination number 6 and 4 respectively. Number of ligand present inside the square. CuNA3 6 plus is octahedral in nature shape. NiCO4 is a tetrahedral और PtCl4 2 minus is a square planar. Most time पे definitely exam में होगा ही होगा. Please read it carefully. CuNA3 6 plus is because सब ligand एक ही type के homoleptic and here CuNA3 for Cl2 is a heteroleptic complex. Question based on the nomenclature of coordination compound definitely will be there in a board examination. MABXL type यानी चारों चार अलग अलग डिफरेंट लिगेंड है तो दिट शो थ्री डिफरेंट आइसोमर 2 cis and 1 trans. Square planar complex with MX2 type MX2L2 type show the geometrical isomerism. Tetrahedral show करते नहीं है. ME3B3 can show the facial and meridional type of isomerism. Only cis isomers can show the optical activities. Linkage isomerism arises in amphidental ligand compounds. CuNA3 6CrNA टू डिफरेंट है तो कोऑर्डिनेशन आइसोमेरिज्म होंगे. आयोनाइजेशन आइसोमेरिज्म यहाँ पे ब्रोमीन अंदर आ गया और सल्फेट बाहर आ गया. स्पेक्ट्रोकेमिकल सीरीज याद रखनी है. आयोडीन सबसे वीकेस्ट है जबकि कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड सबसे स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट है. लिगेंड फॉर विच डेल्टा और लेस देन पी पेयरिंग एनर्जी ज्यादा होगी तो वीक फील्ड लिगेंड होगा एंड हाई स्पिन कॉम्प्लेक्स बनाएंगे. अगर स्प्लिटिंग एनर्जी ज्यादा होगा तो स्ट्रॉन्ग फील्ड लिगेंड होंगे और लो स्पिन कॉम्प्लेक्स बनाएंगे. डेल्टा टी और डेल्टा ओ का रिलेशन है. डेल्टा टी इज इक्वल टू 4/9 डेल्टा ओ. कलर ऑफ कोऑर्डिनेशन कंपाउंड कंट्रीब्यूटेड टू द डी ट्रांजिशंस. जितना अगर इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ in the absence of ligand crystal field does splitting not occur and colors some compound become colorless. Stability beta 4 is equal to K1 into K2 into K3. रोडियम कॉम्प्लेक्स विल्किंसन कैटालिस्ट कहा जाता है. PA3PR3RHCl which is used in a hydrogenation of alkene. Copper and iron are removed by chelating agent D-penicillamine and desferoxime. EDTA used in the treatment of lead poisoning, whereas platinum compound used to inhibit the growth of tumors, especially cystic. लोग इस वीडियो बहुत अच्छे से प्रिपेयर कीजिएगा. इसमें से जो भी क्वेश्चन आज डिस्कस किए गए वो सबके सब क्वेश्चन एज इट इज बोर्ड की एग्जामिनेशन में आ सकते हैं. डू शेयर दिस वीडियो विथ योर फ्रेंड्स. थैंक यू. दिस इज ऑल फ्रॉम माय साइड. प्लीज subscribe the channel for the next video.